In today's video, I am going to teach you how to start a live stream on Telegram. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need to make and add clear context so you feel confident going live. Whether you are broadcasting to a large audience or hosting a more interactive session, start by opening the Telegram desktop app. This process is designed for the desktop version, so make sure you are not on mobile or the web. Navigate to the specific channel or group where you want to stream. If you are working with a channel, you typically need admin permissions to start a live stream. In a group, organizers and admins are the ones who usually begin video chats. Taking a moment to confirm you are in the correct space will save time later and ensure your viewers show up in the right place. Once you are inside that channel or group, look to the top right corner of the Telegram window. You'll see the chat or stream icon there. It's easy to miss if you are moving quickly, so pause for a second to find it alongside the other controls at the top of the conversation. Click that icon to open your broadcasting options. You'll now choose between Start Live Stream and Start Video Chat. In channels, you'll typically see Start Live Stream, which is ideal for 1-2 mini broadcasts, where viewers primarily watch and react. In groups, Start Video Chat is the more common option. Great for interactive sessions where participants can join the conversation. Pick the one that matches the format you want. Think about whether you want a presentation-style stream or a more conversational meeting experience. Next, decide whether you want to begin immediately or schedule your live stream for a future date. If you start now, your audience can join as soon as they see the live indicator. If you schedule it, your community gets a heads up so they can plan to attend. Double-check the date and time, so it aligns with your main audience's time zone. A scheduled stream can help you build anticipation and improve turnout. When everything looks right, click the red Start button to go live. That button is your final confirmation, and after you press it, your broadcast begins. Keep an eye on your window for any indicators about connection quality or audience engagement. And speak clearly so everyone can follow along. A quick reminder before you begin. Stable internet. A quiet space and good lighting go a long way toward a professional face sounding. Polished stream. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.